See your boy on the Ducati, baby. This thing is so fast. Oh my god.
It's not my fault.
Boys, I got something to say. After that last video, I couldn't sleep. Tried to come trade in my Honda, and I did. Oh, shit. Bro, the game is about to change. Fuck. Oh my god. I can't. Alright, I gotta load up the GoPro and everything. Dude, I just traded my CBR fucking little baby 500cc for a 2009 1198 Ducati. Oh, bruh. Alright, boys. Oh shit, let's get this first start up. Oh fuck, I can't. Alright, this bitch is a neutral. This is not real. Oh fuck, this does not feel real at all. Oh boy, holy shit. Bro, I'm just in disbelief. Oh, I don't know what the fuck to say right now, bro. Holy shit. This is not real. Oh. Dude, you want to hear that again? Bro. it's over. Oh my god. Got the carbon fiber. Bro. This thing doesn't have a fucking scratch on it. I drove 400 miles to get here today. To try and trade in my bike for this fucking Ducati. And I got it, baby. And I got it. Oh my god. I got the fucking thing going. Alright, boys. I'm gonna film some of it, but not all of it. I gotta get to the freeway. Fucking just, I can't believe it, boys. Oh my fucking god, dude. It's so fast. 1200 cc's, baby. That's what that feels like. Oh my god. I missed you, Mama Speed. Ricky Bobby is back. Dude, I've been riding all day. I literally rode fucking... I left at 10 this morning, froze my ass off over the mountain, riding through snow on my other motorcycle, the Honda. And I get there, I leave at 10, I don't get there until 3 o'clock. And now it's 5, and I'm just now finishing up. And I feel like I haven't rode all day. Like, I'm not stiff anymore. It's just like, I'm having too much fun. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh, do you hear that? Watch, I'll give you guys a little rev. There's people like, watch this. Watch this little rev I give it. You're gonna like this. God damn, bro. That's just too much. It's just too much man shit.
A few moments later.
Holy fuck. I don't know these roads. I gotta be careful. These big hills. Jesus fucking Christ. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh. Alright, we made it, boys. Oh. Oh, that ride was killer. I got lost. It took like 2.5 hours to get here. Alright. Alright, boys, I look like shit, but it's okay. That's gonna conclude today's video, just me picking it up. Oh my god, so the past few days have been crazy. Like, Saturday, today's Tuesday, by the way. Saturday was the day I recorded that video I dropped before this one, where I rode that Ducati for the first time, and I was like cracked out. And then my first table gave me that big tip, and I was like, what the fuck's going on? And then Sunday, my Bengals made it to the Super Bowl, so I'm like, dude, is it my birthday? And then, since I was obsessed with the Ducati, I was looking online for one, and I found one that I like, that I was like, dude, it's just like the one I rode, and I fell in love with that bike, like, immediately. Just like the raw feeling, the old schoolness to it. And then I called them, I was like, do you guys accept trade-ins? I own my bike, and I want to trade it in. They're like, yeah. And then I was like, well, I'm gonna see if we can make something happen. So Sunday I go to sleep, I wake up Monday, I'm like, do you guys have the bike? They're like, yeah. So I drive down there, I ride my bike down there, like a whole, I rode, shoot, like 400 miles to get there, because I live up in Oregon, it's down in Sacramento. And like, when I was coming over the mountain, I had to stop like 5 or 6 times, because my hands were like black and blue, because it was so cold. It was like 24 degrees, because I left like 10 in the morning. And like, there was like a little bit of snow on the ground, ice everywhere. I was like, dude, this is like risky, but it's worth it, it's worth it. But I ended up making it at 3 o'clock. got the bike out of there by 5 and I was hyped. And then when I go home, my GPS stopped working halfway through, so I drove in the wrong direction for like 45 minutes extra because I was in the middle of like some country shit. I didn't know where I was. If I was on the freeway, I would have been fine. I don't know how to find my way home to my brother's house in California, but nope. So I left at 5. I was supposed to be home by here in Escalon by 6, but I didn't get here till like 7:30, and I was like, because I got lost, but I had to stop and look for directions. But god damn, I'm gonna go on the pros and cons of this bike because there are some things that I don't like and there are some things that I do like. Let me just say it's completely different from a fucking 2020. Okay, completely different. Like, these bikes aren't even remotely the same. Oh, dude. Alright, boys. Until next time, peace.
I took so much pain in this game. I didn't know my pain would hurt my brain. I lost my friend to a bullet in his brain, and all these people play his life like it's a game. It's time, don't you panic. It hurts like I'm abandoned. Grab the 30 automatic, had to leave him where he's standing. I've been on a G-code since Tino. He knows that I know that he knows I'm lethal. I've been up and at it, can't explain how much it's tragic. I've been grinding for my paper, fuck the fame, bro, you can have it. My time I learned to manage, I'm on it just for the baggage. If you smoke, I've had it, especially if you roses and candles. And my love is anxious, you don't trust me, fuck you, you be hating. Your love is hard to handle, and I've been feeling just me. So me, you can't take this. Roses and candles, and my love is so fucked up at a gamble.